Tech Industrial Safety, microcurso for la espiga dorada bakery, Sena, Occupational Safety, I Health Management Technology. This member, Juan Camilo Mejía Salazar, Karen Tatiana Restrepo, Laura Estefanía Ospina Morales y Vanessa Medina Bedocha. Rating. Hello, we are a student for Sena. Our name are you, Juan Camilo Mejía Salazar, a Karen Tatiana Restrepo, Laura Espina, and Vanessa Medina. Welcome to our micro course Teach Industrial Safety at La Espiga Dorada Bakery. Object. The object of the micro course in the province base is Luigi about industrial operational safety at Espiga Dorada Bakery. We aim to help bakery workers identify race rate of the ovens, machinery, structure or surface. For those as customer service areas, through the course, we want to protect responsibility, prevention, and strong safety culture within the bakery. Important. Operational safety is very important in bakery because workers are exposed to heat, sharp objects, slippery food, or heavy equipment. Accidents such as burns, cuts, falls, or key equipment injuries can have in safety procedures are not followed. When employees understand safety rules and communication systems, they can prevent accidents and protect themselves and their co-workers. A safe bakery improves productivity, customer trust, and improves well-being. Two pieces of the course has communication in the bakery, but coverage in the very areas. Workplace violence in customer service, creating a safe work environment and la espiga dorada. Closing. In conclusion, safety is not only unruly, it is a responsibility a la espiga dorada every employee plays an important role in preventing accidents. Inside bakery, thank you for watching on my micro course. They say, bakery say, I may say, a priority every day. Safety in everyone responsibility.